ओके गाइस, सो आज रोज़ा है मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है अब तक, लेकिन मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू किताब लवर्स बुक फेयर। Alright guys, so I am back from the book fair and I am tired, I am hungry, I am thirsty, but I am so very happy that I am not feeling any other emotion right now. Today I bought 34 books, but the best thing about it is that I didn't pay a single rupee for all of these books, and the reason is that I was the Kitab Lovers giveaway winner. So I got an entire treasure box. Let me show you the box. Oh my god, it's very heavy. But yes, I got this entire box absolutely free. Kitab Lovers and Load the Boxes team host giveaways every now and then. They actually host a giveaway every time they visit a city, every time they held a book fair in a particular city. So do check out their page on Instagram so that you can know about their upcoming events and giveaways. I'll leave the link to their account in my description box. So that's everything I wanted to tell you before I start showing you my books. So now let's get into the video. Let's watch all the books that I bought. So the very first few books that I bought is part of a series, and it is it's the Song of Ice and Fire book series. I have the habit of calling it the Game of Thrones series, but no, that's not what it is called. So the books that I got from this series are A Game of Thrones, A Clash of Kings, no, not this one, A Storm of Swords, Steel and Snow, A Storm of Swords, Book 2, Blood and Gold, A Feast for Crows, and the second book in the A Dance with Dragon book. This book is divided into two parts. I tried very hard but couldn't find the first part of this book. But yes, after I'll get that book, this entire series will be complete. I mean, there was also one more book which was, I think it was something called Blood, but it was available in that big hardcover edition, and I was not in the mood to buy that book, so I didn't. The next 5 books that I got are also part of a series, and that's Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I got 5 books from the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. I already have 2 books. I have first and second book in that series, and I got Dog Days, The Ugly Truth, The Third Wheel, The Long Haul, and Hard Luck. All of these books are in pretty good condition. Again, I tried to find the rest of the books too, but in the series, but couldn't. I think there are 12 books in total in this series. I'll try to get them all. So yeah. The third book is Breaking Dawn. It's the last book in the Twilight series. Almost last. I think there is one more book, but it has not been adapted in the movie, so I won't include it. I think it's the Tyranny of Bree. I'm very bad at remembering books' name. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyways, I have the first three books in the Twilight series. I had the first three books in the Twilight series, so I got this one as well. The last time I didn't buy it because it was available in the hardcover edition, but I wanted this paperback edition. So yes, I finally got it, so I picked it up. The next two books are again part of a series, and it is a series of Unfortunate Event. It's the book fourth, The Miserable Mill, and it's the last book, The End. I have the first book in the series, and now I have two more. There are total 13, so I'll have to get 10 more before this series gets completed. But the books are so expensive on Amazon that I thought it best to collect it eventually from second-hand bookstores and all. So yes, I'll have to be a little patient, but that's fine. The next two books are bought just to fill the left out spaces, and these are this is the second book, and this is the last book in the Malory Tower series by Enid Blyton. It's a children book series. I've heard about it and it's kind of popular, so I thought why not give it a read. Although I tried to find the other, I think there are total 5 books in this series. I tried to find the other 3 but couldn't. So yes, I got these 2 books. And then another series, I bought so many books that are part of series, or that I bought to complete the book series that I already have. But yes, I bought so many books that were part of series, and this is the another book series that I bought. And I don't think it's a series, or maybe I think it is. So the very first one is Crazy Rich Asians, and the second book is Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan. There is also a third book, China's Rich Girlfriend, and now I'll have to keep looking for that book, so that my trilogy or whatever, if it is a trilogy or not, I don't know, but that will get completed. I think it's a trilogy. But yes, I'll get that book as well. I don't know, my mind is not working actually. I told you now, I'm fasting, so my tongue is it's slipping, and I'm not being able to think properly. I'm not being able to speak properly, so pardon me. The next book is To All the Boys I've Loved Before by Jenny Han. I've been looking for this book for so long, but it was for around 400-500 rupees on Amazon, so I couldn't get it. But yes, it's also a part of a series. There are 2 more books in this series, but they were not available. But I'm very happy to have this book. I've seen the movie version of this book, and it was cute, it was nice, it was okay. I have to read the book to find out if it is, I'm sure it is going to be better than the movie. But yes, there are so many fans of this book on Bookstagram that I want to see if it is worth the hype or not. I got around 7 books that were part of series, or 7 book series I can say. But yes, I am very happy with all of these. But now all the series, or all the books that were part of series are done, and now I'll show you all the books that are part of standalone. So the very first one is And the Mountains Echoed by Khaled Hosseini. I had this book. It was a very tattered edition that I think I picked up from a second-hand bookstore as well. But because it was very tattered, and also because I tried to read it, but I didn't enjoy it much. There were like a million characters in this book. It was a good read, I must tell you. It was a really beautiful book, but there were so many characters, and I was not really in the mood to read a book like that, so I think sold it. But now yes, I found it in this book fair, so I picked it up. I already have 2 other books by Khaled Hosseini, so yes, I think now I have all the books by Khaled Hosseini. Then I picked up 2 books by Nicholas Sparks, and the very first one is The Last Song, and the next one is Dear John. I already have around 6 books by Nicholas Sparks. I'm trying to get all of the books, or at least all the books that have been adapted to movies. Nicholas Sparks is one of the most popular romance author, and I want to own all of his books. So yes, although I'm not a big fan of romance when it comes to reading, but I'll definitely read Nicholas Sparks once I'll have all the books by him, not before that. So the next book that I got is Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam. If you are an Indian, which I believe you are, because most of the people who are following me are Indians, you might have heard about this book, you might have heard about this man. It's one of the most popular book by one of the most popular Indian, and I wanted to have this book for such a long time, although it's looking like a photocopied or a pirated version, but I got it anyways. Actually, the pages are very fair, and the printing is quite dark. That's why I'm saying that maybe it's a photocopied edition. I'm not really sure if it is pirated, but yes, I got it anyways, and I'm very happy with this purchase. After that, I got I Am Malala by Malala Yousafzai. It's another book that I have been wanting to read for quite a long time, and now I finally got it. So yes, I am gonna read it very soon. I also got If I Stay by Gail Forman, although I have made up although I had decided that I am not gonna buy another romance novel. I have got so many romance books in my shelf, and I hardly end up liking a few. So yes, I had made up my mind that I won't buy any more romance novel, but I saw it and I picked it up, and then let's see how it turns out to be. I'm not regretting my decision, but I'm not really sure if I had to buy it. Then I got A Beautiful Mind by Sylvia Nasser. I think one of my Bookstagrammar friends recommended me this book, and I have been meaning to read it since then. So yes, it's a very new, very fresh edition. I damaged this side of this cover while putting the book in the box, but when I picked it up, it was absolutely new. So yes, let's see when I'll read it. Then I got Julie and Julia by Julie Powell, I guess. I hope I'm pronouncing the name of the author right, but yes, I've heard about this book and movie, but I don't know much about it. Let's see how it turns out to be. Then I got Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine by Gail Honeyman. This book is extremely popular, and I wanted this book for a very long time, and now I have it. I'm very happy. I will read it very soon. Then I got Wonder by R.J. Palacio. I don't think I'm pronouncing the name of the authors right, but like I said, pardon me, I am fasting. So yes, this book is again need no introduction. Almost all of you know about it. So yes, we'll read it very soon. Then I got 3 thrillers. The very first one is You by Caroline Kepnes. Though I was thinking to get the Netflix web series edition, or web series edition. Yes, I was thinking to buy that edition, but I got this, so I bought it without thinking much. So yes, this is the very first thriller that I got. I've heard great reviews of it. Then I bought The Knife of Never Letting Go by Patrick Ness. I don't know if it's a thriller. I think it is. Yes, it is. So yes, another very popular, very hyped book that I got recommended by many bookstagrammers. And then the next one is We Need to Talk About Kevin by Leonol Shiver. I don't know anything about this book, but yes, I've heard great things about it. It has been adapted into a movie, so let's see how it turns out to be. Then the next book that I got is The Giver by Lois Lowry. Again, it's extremely popular. I've heard many great things about this book, and I'm dying to read it. I will read it and let you know how it is. And last but not the least is Anne of Green Gables. I want all the books in this series, and it's the Oxford Children Classic Edition, and it's absolutely new and it's so gorgeous, but it was the only book that was available in this edition. Otherwise I would have bought like almost every single classic, but this was the only book that was available from this edition. There were many classics available there, but they were not Oxford Children's Classics. This edition is so beautiful. So that's it. These were all the 34 books that I got from the book fair. I want to thanks Kitab Lovers and Load the Box for hosting the giveaway and for choosing me as their winner. I am very happy, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below whatever you want to talk to me about. And if you are from Bhopal or if you have been to this book fair, do let me know your experience, and we'll meet next time with a new video. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I make bookish videos currently, and yes, subscribe if you like my content, subscribe if you want to watch bookish content, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.